Spotted Horse Design, and I am filming today's tutorial from our camper. Now my filming setup in here is not the greatest, but I am going to make it work. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make the Even Berry stitch. Now this is very similar to a bobble stitch. Most bobble stitches are they're known for their bulkiness and their height. The Even Berry stitch is quite a bit smaller than a bobble stitch. Now don't get me wrong, I love the chunkiness of nice big bobbles, but sometimes a project just requires something a little less, and the Even Berry stitch is perfect for that. So grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. Okay, so you're going to start by making a chain of any even number. I'm going to start with 16 chains. So go ahead and work your starting chain, and then I will meet you back here to start row 1. All right, so once you've completed your starting chain, we are going to start row 1, and you're going to begin by working into the second chain from the hook, and you're going to work 1 single crochet. And now you're just going to work 1 single crochet in each chain all the way across until you get to the end of your starting chain. So go ahead and pause this video, work this row of single crochets, and then I'll meet you back here to start row 2. All right, and once you've completed your first row of single crochets, go ahead and chain 1 and turn your work. Now the chain 1 does not count as a stitch. So we're going to start by working into this very first stitch. So you're going to work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. And now we're going to work our first berry stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, and pull up a loop. And now you're going to yarn over and pull through just 1 loop. And that's going to leave you with 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, and pull up a loop. And now you're going to have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. And now we're going to work a single crochet into this next stitch here. And after you've made this single crochet, you can kind of flip your work over and see how this berry stitch has started to pop out on the other side. So we are working our berry stitches very much like bobble stitches. When you work them from the wrong side and they pop out on the right side. Berry stitches are the same way. We are always working from the wrong side and they will pop out on the right side. All right, so now we're going to work another berry stitch in this next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop, and that's going to leave you with 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch and pull up a loop, and now you've got 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. And now we're just going to work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. All right, and it's time to work another berry stitch. So once again, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through just 1 loop. You've got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch and pull up a loop. Now you've got 5 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. And now you're going to make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. So for the remainder of this row, you're going to continue to alternate 1 berry stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 berry stitch, 1 single crochet, all the way across till you get to the end of the row. You will end with a single crochet stitch. So go ahead and pause this video, alternate your berry and your single crochet stitches all the way across, and then I will meet you back here to work row 3. Okay, and once you've come to the end of row 2, go ahead and chain 1 and turn your work. And now you can see all of our little berry stitches popping out on the right side here. So with the berry stitches, just like we had to put 1 single crochet in between each stitch, we also need to have a single crochet row in between each row. So this next row is just going to be single crochets. So you're going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. So go ahead and pause this video, work this row of single crochets, and then I'll meet you back here to start row 4. And now once you've completed row 3, go ahead and chain 1 and turn your work. And again, since our chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch, we're going to work our first stitch right here into the very last stitch you just worked. So you're going to work 1 single crochet. And now we're going to work our berry stitch into this next stitch. Oops. And now from here on out, this row, this 4th row, is just going to be a repeat of row 2. So you are just going to continue to alternate rows 2 and rows 3. So a berry row and a single crochet row, all the way until your practice swatch is the size that you want it to be. I hope you found this stitch tutorial helpful, and I hope it gives you another idea to use in your crochet projects in the future. Be sure to leave me a comment if you have any questions about this stitch, and if there are any other stitch tutorials that you'd like to see from me in the future. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!